Hello everyone, how are you? In the last video, gradient has completed, so we are going to start the next video. In this video, we will talk about stroke. What is stroke? So, stroke mean border color of your object is called stroke color, not background color. Some say this is background color, so I am here giving example. This is the border color of your object is called stroke. So you can see if I export it, so you can see the border color is stroke. If I am here changing the one another color, so this is the stroke color, not background. You can say background color and foreground color, but stroke color is the border color of your object. So I am giving more examples and setting of stroke. This one is fill. Here is the stroke off and just fill, giving the fill. Yes, next example, fill and stroke. Here is the fill and stroke. Two color are combined in one object. Here just stroke. Here the fill is off. Next examples, this one is aligned center stroke. What is aligned center stroke? This is a stroke panel. If you have don't see, so just here and you can open this and you can press Ctrl plus F10. So this is the object, and here align center stroke mean align center stroke. You can see this one is align center, mean your align is in the center. If I increase the stroke of the object, mean both sides are increased the color. So next one is align inside the stroke, mean your color increase inside of the object. If I increase this, then you can see. This one is align outside the stroke, mean stroke color will increase outside the object. If I increase this, then you can see. So next is meter join stroke, mean corner of your object is meter join, mean border is rounded shape. So you can see this corner are meter join. Next one is rounded join stroke, mean your corner is rounded. Yes, you can see this one is rounded corner. Next one is bevel join stroke, then you can see this one is bevel join, mean your corner is in the cut shape. So if you want to drag this, you cannot drag from here, just click on it stroke and you can drag here and there. So here in the next butt cap stroke, yes, mean your cap is butt. If I drag here simple line, mean your corner is ending of the line. This one is called butt cap stroke. Next one is rounded cap stroke, mean I give you one more examples. Yes, you can see here when your line has finished, then stroke has rounded, then stroke end. So you can see this, and here is the projecting, mean this one is according to your project, and this one is rectangle shape. Here is the rectangle shape. You can see if I select this, then you can see the preview. So in the last, dashed line stroke. What is dashed line and where you can found this? You can found this in the your stroke panel. Just click on your dash and you can dash and gap how much do you want gap and how much you want dash lines. You can change this. You can see this. Yes, you can see this. This one is dash line and this one is dot stroke. If you want to make dot stroke, then you must have your stroke thick line and your dash line is the same. Here is the 10 pt stroke and here is the 10 pt dash line. So this one is made dotted line. So here if I give this, you can see if here is the I increase, then you can see the changing in it. So these panels I am giving the examples. And you can make the arrows into your stroke. Yes, if you want to change this, must is align and you can change here. So if I give this one is beautiful, so you can change this. And this one is more panels, so I give you one more example. So this one is ellipse tool. So if I this, then you can see here is the stroke start and here is the ending of the stroke. So if I give this, then you can see even you can select this one. Yes, you can make these things used to stock. Here I am giving show more tools. So stroke panels have done. So this one is line segment tools. You can create a direct line and changing of the line. If you want to rotate this, you can easily. And this one is block brush. Paint brush tool is just for a stroke and block brush tool is just for a fill. Yes, you can see if I increase, and you can just press bracket and you can increase this and you can see. And next one is pencil tool. The difference between pencil tool and brush tool: pencil tool is thin line and brush tool is create thin line. You can see the difference with different two examples. And next one is smooth tool. So if you want to smooth these points, you can do this. So if I make these points, just take smooth tool and you can do this. So you can see. So we see the next one is path eraser tool and join tool. First we see the join tool. Join tool is too much easy. So first I create so just take join tool and select this and you can make the shape easily. So if I make this, then just take it and you can create a shape. So we see the next one is this one is arc tool. If you want to make a path with arc, then you can create and you can make a copy of it. So I make a copy and paste in front and change the rotation. Next one is grid tool. If you want a rectangle with grid tool, you can use this. And if you want next one is path eraser tool. This is one too much beautiful. If you want to just erase a path, then you can do it easily. So I make a path, then yes, these are points now different. So I am here ellipse tool and I delete the path. You can see. So now these are the different paths from your object. And now delete this. And after this is the eraser tool. What is the difference between path eraser and eraser tool? So if I delete this from eraser tool, then eraser tool convert after erasing into one another shape. So you can see. So you can change the color. So this one is too much. You can make to erase the thing, and then you can create more things from one object. So next one is scissor tool and knife tool, also use just with to delete the path, to cut the path, and to cut the shape. So I am not using this, you can use this if you want. So we stop here. Please like and subscribe this channel if you want to learn graphic designing. This too much helpful for you. Thank you.